Hello and greetings from the deep end TARDIS. Today we are going to be talking about setting up a Fry energy miner using the US Shelly app. So, once you have your device plugged in and it is flashing blue, you come down here and you click on your little plus. And you're going to choose the connection method that you like. Today we're going to be doing the Bluetooth. Hit next. Searches for devices nearby. It is not finding it. So, let's push the button. It turns it on. Turns it off. Back. I did just remove this one from my account to be able to do this. I may not have fully reset it. So I'm doing that now by pushing and holding the button. And now we have a rapid red flashing light, which if I remember right, that indicates a reset. So now it just flashed blue twice and off. Now it is steadily flashing blue. Let's give this another shot. Still not. Wi-Fi AP scan. If I remember right, this happened the first time I tried to set it up too. Now we discovered it. Because I have already had this in the app, it's not going to show up with the standard new devices because, according to my app, it's not a new device. So when you're doing this and you hit new device and you hit next, it will discover your device as long as you got that blue flashing light on the front of it. So we're going to go over here to my devices. There we go. And there. And then you want to disable the Bluetooth, disable the Wi-Fi AP, that way no one can connect to it after the fact. There we go. You gotta wait for this little button here to give you the plus sign and be ready. The plug is working, we'll just turn on the fan. Added. We're going to come down over here and click on your settings. And then we're going to click on device information. Right there. That is going to give you the MAC address that you're going to need to register your Fry device. Go back, come over to your main settings, and you're going to click on your authorization cloud key and click get key. Once you click get key, it will give you the key that you need. Hope you all enjoyed. See you around. Happy mining.